Hello and welcome to this lecture. This lecture is going to be a quick one as most of us have PowerShell already and I don't want to waste your time in reinventing the wheel. I have created this AWS EC2 instance which I'll be using most of the time in this course. In case you want me to make a lecture on how to create this instance or a separate course altogether on how to manage AWS using PowerShell, please do let me know. You don't need to create this machine unless you are interested in AWS particularly. You can use your local machine for this course, no issues with that. Starting with Windows 7, PowerShell is a part of operating system. To check whether you have PowerShell or not, you can go to Run and type PowerShell. If this shell is opening for you, congratulations ladies and gentlemen on opening the Windows PowerShell console for the first time. To check the version of PowerShell, we can type $ps version table and hit enter. You can see my PowerShell version is 5.1, which is the latest version. If your PowerShell is on lesser than this, like 4 maybe, it's okay for the scope of this course. But in case you don't have this console opened up or you want to upgrade the PowerShell, you can hit this link and download PowerShell in the form of Windows Management Framework. It is available on Microsoft site for free of cost. You can choose the right installation file for you, looking at your Windows OS version like 7 or 8 and architecture 32-bit or 64-bit. Once this installation file is downloaded, you can just execute the installer and do that typical next type of installation. I'm sure you would have done it lot of time. In my case, it won't allow as I have already the same version installed on this machine. Still, if you face any difficulty, just let me know and I'll help you out. Once you are done with the installation, system will ask you for reboot. Once system is restarted, try to launch the PowerShell console and check the version. Okay people, we have PowerShell into our machine now. We will walk through this PowerShell console and a development environment in very next lecture. Take care and see you there.